Hi everyone, Victoria here from Digital Hub for Small Business. I've popped together a little video about how to set up your Facebook page so that it is a professional selling page. I hope it helps. In order for us to create a business Facebook page, we do have to have a personal Facebook page. So setting up a personal Facebook page is very, very easy. And then go across to the top where it says create and click page. There's a variety of ways of doing this, but this is just one way. And we are a business, so we do want to get started as a business. We're going to name our page something that isn't necessarily our brand or our product, but something that other people would be interested in coming on board and getting something from our page. So we're going to be naming our page Beautiful, I can't spell, Beautiful Indoor Plants. And we are a business, so we can pop that. So business service, we are a business center. Maybe we can just say we're a product or service. Okay, and continue. We can change any of these, not necessarily the name all the time, but we can change things as we go along. Okay, so I've already made a profile picture and a cover photo in Canva, and you may have already seen that. Otherwise, if you haven't, you can click on it a bit later. And so this is the little picture that sits to the side. And then we want to upload the cover photo as well. And that's just in our downloads that we've downloaded from Canva. Remembering, like I said when I did the Canva video, that we really want to have the cover photo in the middle, a lot of our information in the middle. So that didn't load, I'm not sure why, but that's okay. We can just choose, we can upload and upload the cover. There it is. Okay, so now you have your page. It's easy. And if you don't like this cover photo, if you don't like this, it's very, very easy to update it. So you now have a business page. Now we need to go ahead and we need to start filling out all of the information on this page. So we can't just leave our page sitting there and expect people to like it, to follow it, and to buy our products. So some of the things that we can do is we can actually take out these pictures because they're not interesting for our customers. They don't really need to see that we have started making a page. Okay, so now we've got a nice, clean, fresh, beautiful page to start with. Okay, so some of the things that you might like to do, and there's no real order that you need to do this in, but we have created some posts that we can start putting up. So we can add our post that we have already created in Canva. So we would click video, we go to our downloads, we would have a look at the posts that are there, choose the one, and this has got a quote on it. So we might like to have our call to action saying, what do you think? Or do you agree? And we're asking our customers to start interacting with our page, and that really boosts the engagement level, and Facebook really, really likes that. And it's a great way of building a following and building trust and a good community in your group. So just click post when you're ready. I really suggest using a scheduling tool like Facebook Creator Studio, for scheduling your posts so that you're not spending every single day wondering what to post and thinking that you need to post all the time in Facebook. Facebook has made it difficult to post directly from its own platform. And so it has created Facebook Creator Studio. You can also use third-party apps like Buffer or Hootsuite or Later, and they allow you to post across a whole bunch of different platforms. Facebook Creator Studio only works for Instagram and Facebook. But I really suggest trying to be comfortable with this, because when you're in launch mode, you're probably going to be posting four, maybe 5 times a day. When you are in growth mode, maybe once a day. And then when you're in maintenance mode, you're probably posting 3 or 4 times a week. So I really don't want you to be sitting behind your computer thinking about what to post. I would love you to be able to make a social media schedule based on all of the information that I've given you in this course, and to be able to sit down once a month and to just smash it out, post really interesting, engaging things to your clients, and then that gives a opportunity for you to go back and answer all the questions, answer the reviews, make comments, go into other groups, and working on your business and actually having a life. So this is the way that we can schedule our posts. We go into Facebook Creator Studio. It should automatically populate with your business page, your Facebook business page. If it doesn't, it will take you through the process of how to do that. As you can see, we have Facebook up the top, and when you toggle over to the other side, it has Instagram. So if you have already set up your Instagram, you can schedule from here as well, which makes it really, really easy. Once your business Facebook page has been populated here, all you need to do is go to Create Post, and it will look exactly the same as Facebook. We'll come up on this side, and it will be asking you to either share a video or a live video, or share any of these other ones that you have here. So you might like to think about this very carefully, because Facebook's really asking you to share a video or a live video. It's the top 2 there. So they will show this post to more people if you share a video or if you share a live video. So I really encourage you to have a think about how you can incorporate video into your posting. Today we're just going to share a photo, and we've already got photos that we have downloaded, or pictures that we have downloaded from our Canva. So this one has something about a friend, a quote about a friend. So you might like to say something in your post like, tag a friend who loves their indoor plants. And then you might like to bring a little bit of humor into it, maybe more than people. And you might like to put a little emoji just to make it more community based. And then instead of coming down here and saying share now, which is what we can do when we are sharing a post and we want to share it now, but this is scheduling. So you come across to the other one that has the clock on it, we click schedule, and then we can choose when we want to schedule it. So that's today, we can choose for tomorrow. And then we can have a really good think about when our people are online and we can schedule it for around the time that they are online. Once you get more than 100 followers, I really, really recommend going into your insights and finding out when your people are online. And all we need to do then is schedule. And schedule post. And it will tell you that it's going to be scheduled for you. And then you just keep going, create another post, share a photo. We've already got those photos that we have made up from Canva. And say something here to really encourage your followers to write something. So, we love indoor plants. Do you post a photo below and show your fave? And then we might like to, again, try and think of making it a little bit more interesting, perhaps coming up with an emoji. I'm just trying to find one. One way that you can actually find emojis. Oh, it's not there. Okay, so we can just find emoji here. Smiley people. Let's try and find some plants, some plant ones. You can see that there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. So just going ahead and finding some nice ones that you can pop in there that match your branding. Go down to share now, schedule for the next day. Again, have a look and see when your people are online, schedule that and click schedule post. Easy peasy.